Hello and welcome to this installation guide for our prefabricated aluminum railings. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process for a quick, easy, and professional installation. Take the time to follow each step carefully, and feel free to pause the video when necessary. Step 1. Prepare for installation. No professional tools are required to install our railings. Whatever you already have at home will do the job perfectly. Just make sure you have the following: a tape measure, a level, a drill, a screwdriver, a metal saw or other tool to cut the sections, if adjustments are necessary. Even a handheld blade can be sufficient, thanks to our brackets, which ensure a professional quality finish. Everything you need is already in your kit. 1. The posts contain the fixing screws for wood or composite materials, the post caps, and the positioning ruler. 2. The railing sections come in boxes with the brackets and mounting screws. Step 2. Measuring and cutting the sections. Start by removing the posts from their packaging. Remove the protective film, then use the included positioning ruler to screw the brackets directly onto the posts. Once the posts are in place, precisely measure the distance between them, taking into account the space occupied by the brackets, approximately 1/8 inch on each side. Then cut the railing section to the correct length. In most cases, only one end is sufficient for adjustment. However, if you need to cut very close to a baluster, consider trimming a little from both ends to maintain a symmetrical and harmonious appearance. Take your time with this step. A clean, centered cut ensures a flawless final result. Step 3. Attaching the section and posts. Place the section between the two posts. Ensure it is firmly seated in the brackets on each side. Then screw the section to the brackets using the provided screws. Always make sure to properly anchor each attachment point to ensure strength and security. Once the section is attached, align the posts in their final position. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, pre-drill mounting holes for the posts, only to the depth of the board or siding, to prevent the screws from causing cracks during installation. Then use an impact driver and the screws included in the kit to gradually secure the posts. As you near the end, use a level to ensure the posts and section remain vertical. Step 4. Final checks. Once installation is complete, take a few moments to check everything. Make sure each section is securely fastened in its brackets, and that the posts are straight, solid, and vertical. Install the finishing caps on the posts and screws. These caps simply snap into place. You can also use a small rubber hammer or a piece of wood to tap lightly if necessary. If you have multiple sections to install, repeat the same steps: position, measure, cut, check alignment, and secure. Here's how easy it is to install your railing with our prefabricated system: a sleek, sturdy, and accessible solution using the tools you already have at home. Thank you for choosing our products, and we'll see you soon for your next project. Alumix Aluminum, your sustainable choice.